Hello there, 'tis I, earthmanbrick, and we're back with another MDF Kit build. This time we're looking at another 4Ground set, and this is red ornate benches. Yeah, so pretty much like park benches. And I thought, you know what, this is going to be an absolute piece of, it's going to be very easy to build. Because it's like on what, 2 sprues there? So yeah, this should be pretty quick. So I figured, well, rather than just make up these, we'll go the extra mile. Why not? And I thought as well, rather than just show you still images of everything and pan across them because I'm lazy, I would because other people have requested it as well, they want to see a bit more of the thought process that goes behind what I'm creating and why. So we'll be making up this. I'll just pop it at the back there. There we go. And we'll be throwing in some of the mantic terrain stuff as well, because we've got all this, honestly, it's like a little seesaw. Roundabout and a couple of bins. So I thought we'd make a little bit of a park. So we've got those all ready to add to our build. And this isn't the first park I've made. No. But this one's going to be a lot smaller. This is the first park I made. And unlike the park we're making with all this stuff here, this is actually entirely scratch built. So that's all made of wooden stirrers. These are actually on springs. You can see I actually work these things. I don't know what you call those things. Thing on a spring? Seesaw here actually works. It's not a rigid piece of crap. And this swings actually swing. And we've got a sand pit, which is made with actual sand. And that's it there, in all its sandy glory. And yes, this was all just stuck onto a piece of MDF board that I had lying about. In fact, I don't think I found it lying about. I think I found it in the street. Because what tends to happen is people will throw out old chests of drawers and things and old pieces of furniture, and I'll spy them sat out beside the waste bins, and I'll be like, "Whoop, that's some MDF board there, nice and thin. I'll be having that for another build." And so not swipe, what's the word? That'll be ripe for recycling. So yes, we've got our wait a moment. Much like I've done with the crash mat type things here, this is all, like these rubbery things that you find at play parks. I'm going to make some more of those, so I've got some cork sheet, some offcuts here that we'll use for adding to our little miniature play park, as well as we've got a whole sheet, or a whole roll of this grass turf stuff. So we'll and I've got some offcuts as well, so we'll add some of this to it. Again, we're not going to go all out on this one. It's just going to be a small little build, and it'll use up some of these resin pieces that have been just sitting, not being painted or doing anything. Anyway, I'll do a very short time lapse of this getting assembled, and then I'll go through the pics of how we're getting on. See you soon. Bye. Hello, the brick is back. Slight change of plans. Instead of using the grass mat, I instead used a material that's not entirely common to us crafters, A trick I learned from one dungeon miser, using cat litter as gravel flock. A typical bag of the stuff is ridiculously cheap too, and its absorbent nature makes it ideal for binding with PVA. Make sure you check out the Dungeon Miser's channel, as he's great at crafting things on a shoestring budget. Another little flourish I added was grass tufts. Don't bother buying some big brand name pack of tufts. Warpainter Scenic Tufts on eBay does a tub of over 500 of them. Silence, puppy! I'm trying to do the thingy talk thing. Anyway, not something I'm sponsored for, but I just want you guys to save some money, because it's pretty cheap. No, but speaking of Poppy anyway, it's time to give her a little bit of screen time. Silence! Enough out of you. No, you're cute. There we go, we've got Poppy in her natural habitat. The evil rattle. Go get it! That's right, kick its ass! Go on, you can do it! Or don't. Yes, that'll be very exciting for the viewers. Yes, ferocious beast. Let's see how she gets on with this! Ah, the green feathery thing. You gonna let it get away with it? Oh, look. It's being lightning. Go on, attack it. Use your cat strength. That's it. Ah, good girl. There we go. Wow. Impressive. Hello again. That's all I've got time for today. I hope you enjoyed this MDF Kit build. Oh, and that you weren't too freaked out by my random intro. I do enjoy experimenting with those edits. Anyway, good riddance, bugger off, and bye!